This is our Quick Air Ride pin box for fifth wheel campers, and let me tell you what's great about them. This revolutionary patent-pending design uses our proven gooseneck air ride technology to improve the ride and towing experience. This system completely replaces your factory fifth wheel pin box with an air ride pin box with a Kingpin that connects quickly to any fifth wheel head. It protects your truck, fifth wheel camper trailer, and the contents with a smoother, safer tow. The air ride system sits inside the pin box and out of the way, which can be fully adjusted to every towing need. With a 24,000 pounds towing capacity, it's perfect whether you are towing a big toy hauler or a small camper. It uses back and forward motion to absorb the road shock typically experienced when towing a fifth wheel camper on concrete highways and rough roads. Upgrade your fifth wheel camper trailer with the Shocker Quick Air fifth wheel air ride pin box and join us at shockerhitch.com for safer, smoother towing.